How to hide WhatsApp chat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and say, for example, you wanted to hide the first chat. All what you need to do is click and hold on the chat till you get this pop-up menu list at the top, from which you want to click on the second icon to the right, which is the archive option. And as soon as you do that, you can see that the chat has been hidden from the main page and it has been moved to the archived section right here. It's that easy and simple, and this should get the job done. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide chats on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.